So myself Shailendra Gupta from RK Sewing Machine, Mumbai. Our company has been established since 1990 and we have a brand SERA Special. We are also into the import of Japanese machines and we distribute in all over India. The response over here has been excellent, like comparison, like whatever we have seen in India and international. So the footfall over here is excellent. There is a potential over here. The customers who have arrived over here, there is a good potential coming from all over India. So we look ahead with a good response for the visitors who had come.